and noise is very beautiful.
The 450SR is priced at 30,580 yuan. The 675SR is priced at 41,580 yuan. So what do you think the price of the 750SR will be? Hello everyone, I'm Mas from MyMoto. Today I'm here at the Xiamen International Circuit to check out the newly unveiled 4-cylinder sport bike, the 750SR-S from CFMOTO. As you can see, the overall front-end design still carries on the consistent style of the SR family. However, you can also see that the entire front end is noticeably wider. Here, there's also a ram air intake, and it's not just for show. This feature can actually increase the maximum power by 2 kilowatts at high speed. Next, you can see this extremely exaggerated winglet. Look, you can even fit your hand through it. You could probably hang clothes on it. But this winglet isn't just for looks either. It actually provides an additional 30 newtons of downforce. As for the front wheel, the configuration is also top-notch, featuring an inverted KYB shock absorber and a Brembo caliper. Here, there's a standard brake guide slot. Looking at the overall body lines and the frame, many people might think this is the frame of the 500, but in reality it's completely different. So why was it designed this way? It's because they wanted to continue the design language of the SR family, so the frame has some similarities. But in fact, its anchor points and other areas have all been changed. I actually asked about this yesterday. It's equipped with this self-developed 4-cylinder engine with a maximum output of 111 horsepower, which is really impressive. The most eye-catching part of the whole bike is right here at the rear, the quad exhaust tailpipes. And then its rear wheel uses a single-sided swing arm design, which combined with the 3-section wheel hub looks really cool. And it's not just for show, it actually provides some heat dissipation as well. It also comes standard with a Brembo little crab caliper inside here. The configuration is really top-notch. As for the overall body lines, they're actually quite similar to the rest of the SR family. Alright, now let me try out the seat height, which is 805mm, or my height is 174cm, and after sitting on it, both of my feet can basically touch the ground flat, as you can see. Because there's a tapered design at the front, the seat height is also very user-friendly. And then looking at the front of the bike, it features a 6.2-inch full-color TFT display. It supports 4 unlocking methods. This bike doesn't use a traditional key. Both the fuel tank and the seat are opened with buttons. You can also see here that a steering damper comes standard, and the suspension is fully adjustable with 20 levels of adjustment. Over here, it comes standard with a one-way quick shifter, which can only be used for upshifting. It uses a cable throttle, which is also a consideration for cost control. So, what will the price of this bike be? Everyone can look forward to it.